Can you overcome the ninth time waster, which I'm calling it lack of using time management techniques? Absolutely. I'm Miriam from Precious Time, and my mission is to help you become the best time manager you can be and the best version of yourself. Today is going to be video number 9 in my 10 video series, Time Wasters. And this video, I'm naming it The Lack of Using Time Management Techniques. And you'll know more about it once we dig into it. Okay, if you haven't seen my previous videos, then I suggest you check them out. You're going to find them useful. All right, so let's begin. What is lack of using time management techniques and how can we overcome it? Lack of using time management techniques. Another major time waster is not making use of the many available time management techniques out there to make our lives more productive and efficient. We have a lot of software apps. We have, as I mentioned earlier, the to-do lists formats. We have the checklists formats. There are many resources about guidelines, techniques, and tips to improve our time management skills. So how do we overcome this time waster? So maybe you don't use them because you're not really informed about them. So educate yourself and check out all the options available. Pick what resonates with you and start implementing them in your daily life. Your choice can be as simple as just starting with to-do lists, right? In a random manner. Start with whatever works for you and with whatever helps you feel that you are becoming a better time manager. If you found this video to be useful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel to always be updated with my new videos. If you would like to dig deeper into time wasters and learn more about how to overcome them, then I suggest you check out my course on udemy.com. Always reach out to me with all your questions and concerns. I'm here for you throughout your transformation journey. Thank you for watching. And remember, yes, as always, time is precious. Cherish it.